All right, guys, so we got a lot of calls with specifically 1.5-liter turbo on Honda's newer engines. How much is the timing chain? How much is the head gasket cost? Just to let my audience knows, whoever going to call in futuristic way to know the price on this, it's nothing I can give you on phone. That's it clearly. We can quote you the oil change price, tire change. But in order to check your exactly what's wrong with your engine, we have to open the engine. Let me show how much we have to open it before we can comment on anything, how much it needs. So this got right here, if you see. So this is the one where the coolant was splitting in this 2 cylinders. So the customer, they're wise, they bring the car here, they let us just rip what exactly wrong with it on the future calls for any of the engine inquiries, specifically on this 1.5 Honda. This is the answer right now. So it needs a new head gasket. So the head is already gone on a machine shop for a resurface, and we doing the same thing while we're doing this one. So it's a one labor job. You don't have to charge twice. So this side, the chain is already moved on this one. So we're going to put the brand new chain. We do the retiming back to normal, like a factory setting on the engine. Also, we're going to put the chain guides. Else, we're going to put the water pump on this one too. This is the bonus jobs you get when you do anything on the engine. So this customer, they one day take advice from us, like what to do, because they just driven it like 170 Ks on the car. They don't want to throw it up. They just paid off this car. So that doesn't make any sense to buying another 20, 30 grand similar car to put your loan again against your credit. It's better. This is a couple of thousands job, less than 10K. If it's a little damage, then it's going to be maybe less than that. But in order to fix it properly, this is the right way. This is the right answer we're going to give you once we take off your head. But on the calls, absolutely no commitments on the quotes on your repair, because if we didn't see what's happening with your engine, I can't give any quote on the calls. So better to drop off your cars and let them play. Then once we play with your engine, we'll let you know what exactly happened with it. This is a pretty common from 2018 to 2025 till date. We don't do engine coding on calls or right away. Even I can't code you if you're just waiting in the waiting area to let me know, because this thing takes a day to take it apart. So it's a better idea if you drop off your car, let us play with it and let you know what exactly wrong with it. And right now, you're just going to see the bad head gasket right now on top, sitting on the top. So coolant was almost flowing from this angle too, and all this thing was weared out. You see this silver signs is all coolant. That thing gonna cost you way more than that, almost double the price to fit this one to swap the motor. Even if you swap the motor, we don't know how bad the head gasket is, because this is pretty common on Hondas. And if the similar engine, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car.
Here you get the CLS and BMW and Dodge Ram 1500. This came for an engine rebuild, and this came for engine rebuild. This came for an oil change. And when we get these two engine rebuilds good, it's gonna drive good condition. But this buddy, the favorite child that we all love, is gonna drive good condition, mint and sweet. And if you want the same thing on a Dodge Ram, CLS, or BMW, book your appointment and call us at 647-708-1300.
here today this beautiful S60 Volvo, and this came with a problem for a purge valve leak. They come before too. Last month there was a purge valve, but right now they got another evap code. When we check it out, let me show you. Come here. So this thing is commonly, notoriously famous for the top rings for the fuel sending unit. This thing have it two different caps on top, two O-rings and two locks. And we're going to drop it off. In order to do this, we need to take apart this toy shaft because it's a four-wheel drive. It's almost a day job. So it's not cheaper if it's a tank issue on your Volvo. So in order to fix it, we're going to drop off the tanks, and you'll see in the coming video what's exactly wrong with it. Because when we run a smoke test on this car, right this side have a gasoline smell real bad. So it come up from the tank. What I assume it's from this cap. It's a main sending unit on this side. So one of the O-ring from this side is leaked, or probably that old car, the locks got cracked too. We got the same thing with the Honda Civic last month. So we're going to fix this one. If you guys do have any of the gasoline smells while you drive or your car is parked, make sure you're going to take it to a professional hands, because this is really dangerous. Your car can get fire either on road or in the house. It's not safe. If you smell gasoline, bring it to America Auto. We'll be happy to help you out. On to the next car. All right, so it's better to fix your vehicle rather than dump it. We got this beautiful 2016 Pathfinder here. They are commonly famous for the rear frame damage. So this one is almost 10 years old, and look what happened right here. So this thing belongs here, and with a salt winter, with a snow in Canada, this thing got apart, and this customer was almost throwing his vehicle, but this thing cost him like maybe 2 grand to get it replaced and back to normal. So we got the reconditioned one better than the newer one. So this is here, right? We are going to put exactly the way it is, and it's going back to the vehicle. And that's where customer gonna save a lot of money rather than buying a new car, paying a lot of EMIs. Look at this. It's a beautiful big SUV, and we saved the life here. And this is now ready to roll. We're going to finalize today, and the customer gonna pick it up anytime sooner. If you guys do have the similar cars, you can call us. We're happy to help you out. We have a bunch of different rear frames, front frames. We have a larger inventory. Depend on make and model. You need to drop off your VINs or your vehicle in order to check the availability of the part. This is not so common to get it. We got it because we have a larger inventory. And right now, the customer is gonna look back to the vehicle on the road safely, because this thing gonna be fall apart anytime while you drive with your family. It's not safe. That's what we're going to figure out here. We'll make sure the customer going to be run safe with the family. If you have the same cars, same problems, you can give us a call or book your appointment.